Experience is a great teacher and youth a great motivator. That's what they say. You know, I've never really figured out who they are, but they forgot to add one more thing. That the only place and the only thing in the whole world that can actually put those two together, motivator and teacher, is only one. And that is the Croma Tech Grandmasters Season 3. I am Rajiv Makni, and hopefully my role here is to be a motivator and a teacher. My experience tells me that today's battle promises to be one of the most competitive fought on this turf so far. We have two very young teams who've traveled a great distance, both figuratively and literally. It's a fight of the champions for school prestige between PS Senior Secondary Chennai and National Public School Bangalore. Great to have all of you here. It's amazing to see just how live and dynamic you all are. You really add to the show. Plus you're here to win prizes. Free mein thodi hai sab kuch, right? Okay, but now we're going to do a quick audience question to give away a prize. I'll give them a Logitech wireless headset from Croma. This is a very interesting question. Remember, play along with me. In Taiwan, the movie San Ge Na Sha is the longest running movie in many theaters. This movie is the dubbed version of which Hindi movie? Think it's almost there. Think which Hindi movie could have done it? Okay, the first person to come up is
Ganesha.
Ganesha. No, Ganesha didn't make it out there. Now I'm going to give you one hint. It has to do with three people. Okay.
Three Idiots.
Three Idiots is correct. Okay, so come in. Okay, and this is all yours, a Logitech wireless headset from Croma. Say thank you to me.
Thank you, sir.
And can I get your name?
Sahib Babbar.
Okay, Sahib Babbar, and the Logitech wireless headset is all yours. Mr. Babbar, please take your seat. Alright, the audience is warmed up, but we've got to get the contestants in to get started. Walking in now are the youngest contestants of Season 3, Prateek Mohapatra and Karin Khandelwal from National Public School, Bangalore. Red team, come in. Now, I introduce you as one of the youngest teams that have ever been on the show. So, how old?
We both are 15-year-olds.
Both 15-year-olds. And yes, how did you make it here on time? I hear you're never on time for anything. I was actually thinking, I'll announce your school, he will walk in and he'll say, he'll be with me in another half an hour or so. How did you make it on time today?
He's usually punctual.
Oh, that's the bad part, right? How can you do that? How can you be punctual, man? Don't do this. That's a sin nowadays. Don't do that. But the one thing that is not a sin is to get your competition in. You've got to get introduced to them to take them on. The next team, the train of thought might stop at many stations, but their favorite destination is Quiz Platform. Straight from Chennai Express to Delhi, walking light but packed with confidence are Abhinav Sridharan and Bharat Shivakumar from PS Senior Secondary School, Chennai. You guys are in, but we know a little bit more about you than you think. Are you ready to spill your beans on the show? Okay, now you spoke in Tamil to your partner, but now you're in a whole different city. Can you say something to him in Punjabi? No, you have to say it. He's got it. Now answer him.
Balle balle.
Now it's time to get into the game. Ready? Both teams. You know how we play it. It's a brand new game for you. It's a brand new season of Croma Tech Grandmaster Season 3. And this is how we played. All you have to do is start from the bottom and make your way to the top. Every block that is numbered has some points. And within that are mini games. Some direct questions. Some like word maze. And our favorite, Wipeout. Every time you get the block, you get the points, you move your way forward. Your quest is to reach the top. And at the top right now, 100 points. But every time I ask each team a question, that reduces by 5. This is a game of strategy, gameplay, knowledge, and of course you've got to be a techie. Because only one person, one team, can finally become Croma Tech Grandmasters. Let's get you onto the pyramid, and to get you onto the pyramid, we will take a direct question on buzzer. Both teams, we're starting now with this, your first question on buzzer. Which online retailer shares its name with the longest river in South America? We have you on this thing.
Amazon.
Amazon is correct. Well done. All right, great start, good going. We are with you now. Bangalore team, red team gets the 5 points. We are back with you now. Team green, direct question, straight to you. Get this right. This is a visual. Identify this object which also gives its name to a term in the world of technology.
It's Trojan.
Trojan is right. 5 points. Give them a big hand. Both teams are on the pyramid. Now that I have both there, we will now reveal first strategies. Where do you want to move now? Team red.
B.
We're moving to B for 20 points. Let's get you your 20 points if you can. We will play something called fill in the list, like fill in the blank, except you've got to give me lists. For 20 points, roughly how many bytes are present in a kilobyte? And give it to me in that order again. A kilobyte, a gigabyte, a megabyte, and a terabyte. I can first take the first one. Kilobyte.
1,000.
All right, first one is correct. Give me gigabyte.
Wait. 100,000.
That is incorrect. A megabyte.
10,024.
I will give you the last one. I need the answer in million, billion, trillion, thousand, 10,000. Last one, you've got one. I'm going to give you the chance to get the next one and get a full 10 points. Terabyte. How many kilobytes in a terabyte? I need an answer now.
100 billion. 100 billion.
100 billion is incorrect. I'm looking for a trillion. Okay, that doesn't give it to you. You get 5 points out of the total that you could have got of 20. What we were looking for was kilobyte, 1,000. You got that. A gigabyte, billion. A megabyte, million. And a terabyte would have given you trillion. That would have been a 20-pointer, 5 points for you, but we're coming in now back to you. Scores right now. Bangalore, you have 10. Chennai, you have 5. We're back with you, green team. Where do you want to go? 420 points. For green team, this is your question. I will give you in rapid fire 4 statements. Tell me whether they are true or false, all of them on ATMs. Good to go? Each for 5 points. ATM stands for Automatic Transfer Mechanism. Reject. All right, you're right in the first one. Next one. The first ATM in India was started by Axis Bank.
Reject.
All right, the first one was HSBC, 1987. Good. Next one. The CVV code on the back of ATM cards is 10 digits long.
Accept.
Is incorrect. It's only 3 digits long, the CVV code. Last one. In the Vatican City, ATMs are available for use in the Latin language. True or false?
Accept.
You've got 3 out of 4 correct. 15 points. Well done. So green team, you move to 20 points, 10 points for Bangalore. Red team, but that doesn't really make a big difference because we're coming to you to find out where you want to go.
C.
All right, so you're moving into 25, C. Now, guess what? The good part about this is that as soon as that opens, you're going to get Nokia 501 phones from Chroma. All you have to do is get any one part of that question right, and you will win those phones, okay? All good?
Yep.
25 points. Also a great move, leap ahead in terms of outscoring them, and for the phones, all in one block. All you have to do is, I will play picture reveal with you. Identify this Swedish scientist. That hairstyle should have already given it to you. Swedish scientist. Think, how many do you know? And now the beard.
Charles Babbage.
No, that is incorrect. Let me finish the picture reveal and show all. You would have got 15 points if you'd got that right. 10 now. We're going to finish this off. That was Alfred Nobel. That is a bit of an error in judgment. You could have got that very easy according to me. And of course, Charles Babbage is not Swedish, he's English. Okay, dual error out there, but what you've lost also is a chance to get the phones. Okay, we are now moving back. You did not get a score on that. You remain on 10. Chennai, green. Where do you want to go?
J.
Okay, moving up already. Good strategy. Seeing that they did not score on that one, you've decided to move up. Good on the fly change of strategy is what I'm thinking. May well work out for you. For 20 points, I'm going to show you 3 logos. Identify these browsers. Get all 320, get 210, get 15.
Opera.
That's
Safari.
the first. Second,
Chrome.
Opera, Safari, Chrome. All 3 are correct. Well done. Good going on that one. Full 20 points. Very good. Some people still falter on opera. I'm surprised, but yes, that was supposed to be the tough part of it, which you got quite easily. Good job. Well done. We are 20 points richer for you on that one. That gives you a total of 40 versus Bangalore 10, but nothing has been lost. We are about to take a break. The Chennai and Bangalore South India battle is on. Let's see who will have more reason to cheer when we come back. Right after the short break, I will leave you with a viewer question. Get your answers in. Fantastic prizes from Croma can be won. See you after the break. Get that viewer question right and you can win exciting prizes from Croma. Which mobile phone has a model called Volt 1000? A. Wipe. B. Swipe. C. Swap. Tweet your answers too at @NDTV Good Times. #Croma TGM3.